Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Apple. So let me take you to their website, which is apple.com. Well, who doesn't know about them? Everyone likes their product, isn't it? But still, I'm going to cover a bit about them for the introduction. So Apple is a prominent multinational technology company founded in 1976, known for its innovative product like the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch, as well as software like Mac OS and iOS. Apple has had a significant impact on the technology industry, and they still have. The company also provides various services, including the iTunes Store, App Store, Apple Music, and iCloud. So you could come to the website and explore all the amazing products you have and the services they got and buy something for yourself or for your family. Totally up to you. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Apple. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Apple and start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic. And when we bring sales to them, guess what? We'll get the commission. Isn't that amazing? But we are not talking about a small company here. We are talking about the Apple, and it's not that easy to be part of the affiliate program. So I'll try to cover that for you in the video so that at the end of the video, you'll have an understanding of how can you be a part of the affiliate program. So let me take you to the web address. This is the web address. You'll find the link in the video description too. You can come to this web page and you will see the information about the affiliate program. So Apple called the affiliate program as Apple Services Performance Partner Program, and they basically allow you to earn commission. And what they expect from you is you become the partner, you promote their services, and you earn commission. So basically, you get commission by promoting their services rather than products. Now, when you click on Apply Now, it will take you to this web page, and here it says the program is only open to partners who have content on one of the Apple Media stores and by invitation to a limited number of other partners. As I said, it's not that easy to be a part of the affiliate program. Um, to be part of the affiliate program, you need to be a part of their media stores. And if you are part of the media store, maybe you are an artist, or maybe you're part of the movie or TV studio, or maybe you're author. If that's the case, you can click on this link for the demo purpose. Let's say you are an artist, and in that case, and you're part of the media store as well. So you can click here, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your details and your website address as well, and then the partnerized username as well. Now, what is partnerized? So there are two conditions to join the Apple affiliate program or performance partner program. One condition is you should be part of the media stores. Another is you should have a partnerized affiliate account as well. Now, what is Partnerize? Partnerize is a digital marketing company out there, and they also provide an affiliate marketing platform. And I will mention the link to the video of how to create a partnerized affiliate account as well in the video description. You can click on the link and create yourself a partnerized affiliate account too. And thereafter, once you create your account, you can mention your username in here, and then you should also be have to enter your Apple Music Store content, the top album titles, and Apple Music content URL. So, and then apart from it, you have to enter your website and social information as well, and the other details, followed by you accept terms and conditions and click on submit. And when you do that, they will see whether you're a good fit for their performance partners program or rather a field program, and based on that, they will give you the approval. But what if you do not have any of Apple Media Store account and you still want to be a part of the affiliate program? Can you be that person? Can you really join the affiliate program? There is one way. So let me take you to the website Soven. Now, what is Soven and why are we talking about them? So Soven is again one of the digital marketing companies out there, and they provide affiliate solutions too. So to be a part of Apple affiliate program, the other way is you become a part of Soven, or rather Soven Commerce as an affiliate. And to do that, you can again come to the website soven.com, hover over commerce and click on affiliate marketing, and then it will take you to the section here. Click on get started, and which will take you to the section. And over here, you can continue with the registration process. Now, I understand registration is not that easy. There are many things you have to keep in mind, and then you won't even know how to use the platform of someone commerce as well as an affiliate. So don't worry, I got you covered. I had created a video on how to create and use the affiliate account on someone commerce. You'll find the link in the video description as well. Follow the instructions from there and get yourself an affiliate account with someone commerce. Once you have it, again, you can come to this page, someone.com/commerce, and click on sign in. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well for your convenience. So once you're here, you can click on sign in, which will take you to this page. You can enter your email address and password combination, which will take you to something called dashboard. Now, this is a place where you can interact with the affiliate program of different brands, not just not just Apple, but other brands too, and you can promote them. The good thing about Someone Commerce is you don't need the approval from the individual brands, but rather you need the approval from the Someone Commerce team. So when you will give your, let's say when you'll be creating an account with them, you'll be giving your online presence details, and they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and whether you stand by their terms and conditions and their regulations. And if they say yes, then you will have access to the dashboard. And once you got the access, you sign in and you get to see this. You can click on commerce, which will, from commerce, you can click on approved merchants. And over here, you get to see all the different brands. Not just this, you can search for the brands. They got high number of brands, and then you can just promote the product or services. You don't have to even apply to those brands. So in our case, let's say you created a Soman Commerce account, you got the approval for your online presence too, and then you can come to this section, and over here on the top right hand side, you can search for Apple and just type in Apple and click on enter. When you do, you would see some programs in here. So we got Apple services, and then we got Apple Store. So you can click on this one, the Apple Store, and then on this screen, you can see, if you scroll down, if you click on domains, so basically you can promote the services from any of these domains, and that will allow you to earn commission when you bring sales to them. So how do you promote them? To promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use your tracking link. But before even we talk about that, what about the commission rate? How much commission can you earn from Apple if you promote their services? Isn't that a question? So let me take you to the performance partner page of Apple again. Over here, you get to see different commission structure. Now, this doesn't totally apply to the Apple Store in here, because this applies to their own performance partner program. And the only thing is, it's not fixed. That's why Soman Commerce has not written here the actual commission rate, but you can get anywhere up to between 0 to 7% commission on the sale amount. And if you even look at here, you can see for Apple Music, they're giving a one-time payment on membership. For Apple News, again, one-time payment. And then for Apple TV, one-time payment on membership. And then for TVs and movies, 7% commission on sale revenue. So for different things, they're giving different kind of commission rate. So based on whatever you see here, you can take an idea from here and you can promote them accordingly. And when you bring sales to them, again, you could get commission accordingly. So Someone Commerce will calculate it on your behalf and will give you the commission accordingly. Now, how can you promote them? As I was saying, you cannot take any link. You have to use your tracking link. So for that, you can click on create a link. And here you have to mention a URL. Now, whatever URL you mention here, ensure the domain matches the domains from here. You see? So there is a book that I would like to, let's say, promote. So I can take this URL. In your case, whatever service that you want to promote, you can take the URL for that. And you have to convert it to the tracking link. So you can click here on create a link. You can select your site. So over here, I have selected all about affiliate marketing, which I got approval for on Someone Commerce website, or rather the dashboard. So in your case, you can select your site as well. And then you can enter your product URL too. And here you can mention the name of the product. So in my case, I'll just go with this as the name. In your case, whatever the product name you can mention here, maybe just I'll decrease the length to just Atomic Habits book. And then once you have entered the product URL and the name of the link, you can click on create, and this will create a tracking link for you. And let me show that to you. So if I do Control V now, you see this is the unique link for the product that I just tried creating a link for. And if I click here, it will take me to the same product. So this way you can create your tracking link, and you can share it with your audience, with your traffic. And when you bring sales to them like this, after creating a link, you could get commission anywhere between 0% to 7%. Now, what if you want to see all the links that you have created for Apple Store? You should be able to, if you click on create links, you would be able to see all the links that you have created. Now, the next question arises, where can you promote them, or where can you promote the services of Apple? So there are many ways you could do that, but still I'm going to cover a few. So you could promote them on any website. It doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, just any section that you feel like could be good for promoting Apple. Just choose that section and just put the advertisement of Apple over there. Maybe just put some image, nice looking image, and embed your tracking link with that image. That's one option. Another option, which I think would be better, is to blog. So let's say you got a blog, you could write blog posts about different services of Apple, create your tracking link, put your link anywhere within the blog post, and let your consumers click on that link. And again, when they make the purchase or sell, if they bring it to Apple, you'll get a commission. And the third way is electronics and technology website. If you got such a website, you could promote Apple on those websites too. But wherever you promote them, ensure you have gotten the approval from Apple for that. So let's say if you went through with this route of filling this form and getting the approval, then you should only be promoting them on the place where you got the approval for. And if you are going with the route of servant commerce, then you should only be promoting them for the site for which you're creating the tracking link for. It's super important. You shouldn't be promoting them on anywhere else. So let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing sales and everything to them. Where would you see your performance? So for that, you can come to Someone Commerce website again. This is assuming you are promoting them through Someone Commerce. So you can come to Someone Commerce website and click on Analytics, click on Overview or Revenue, and see the performance accordingly. Then what about the payment? How will you receive the payment? So for that, you can come to the bottom left-hand side, click on the avatar icon, and then click on payment. And over here, you can fill the form to get the payment either via check, PayPal, wire transfer, and local bank transfer. So once you've entered the details, all the commission that will get generated in your Someone Commerce account, you will get the commissions once it has exceeded 25 USD. So that's how you'll get the commission. And this is how you can find more about Apple Affiliate Program. You can become part of them, you can start promoting them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in your affiliate marketing journey. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.